Hello everyone. So it's me, Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. And it has been quite a lot of time that I have been not teaching you this kind of strategies and small, which I have been always been using you and let you know about more of the strategies also. So right now, today we are here back again. So I was just thinking and planning right now that how I can teach you better strategies to using two indicators and with one strategy that is very small, and how many of the people have been asking me also, like they have a limited amount of balance and how they can grow step by step. So this video is for all those people who have been starting new into the trading. And so right now all you need to do is just copy paste my strategy and go ahead. So as you can see, all you need to do is open pocket option right now, and we will select two indicators, because two indicators, one strategy, and small and step by step. With $500 we'll start to grow. All right, so all you need to do is first click the alligators, the changes you need to keep everything into the defaults, and the style you need to change it to 2px, all the thing maximum. Just make this red, keep this blue also, and 2px and 2px. Save. And the second indicators that we'll be using it is RSI, because it's too easy to understand RSI also. It's too easy, it's too predictable also to understand RSI. So all you need to do is this way. So let's go start it. RSI, all you need to change it, make it to 13, and here you need to make it 13, and all you need to click it to 2px. So it's more, the opacity has been available and everything. And yes, as we have set it, all the settings and defaults we have done it, and everything that you need to know is in this video we'll start to show it. You just don't need to have so much of kind of complication. You just need to copy my strategies, what I'm using it and how. So two indicators, one strategy. So let's go with $500. We'll start. And so let's go, let's start it. The candle timings, you make sure it's 15 seconds, and here you need to make sure the timing is around 30. So, and it's $500. So let's place a trade up to 100. So let's go check it out, guys. Step by step we'll keep checking it how to trade it. So let's go here, we'll check it out. Here, as you can see, there was a dip here, and it has been, no, this is also not suitable for us. This also not suitable for us. This is wonderful strategies that you can see is. So the reason I took here upward trade also for $100, as you can see, there was a dip and a spike, as you can see, and how the green and the red and the blue line has been moving forward. So that was a strategy that I wanted to let you show also. So in this way, I wanted to let you know that how the alligators and RSI, both the indicators, were been feasible for us and going from the upward side, and that's why we took an upward trade here right now. So as you can see, that was the thing. So we will wait right now, check it and wait it. Oh, so plus 192, that is the thing. So that's why I need to analyze the two indicators also in this way, and that's why I analyzed this and took this upward trade. So let's go right now, take an upward trade for 200, and we will check the strategy step by step, and we will go and check it step by step what it is. Here it's feasible. Here, as you can see, there was been a dip downside on the timing, and here, and here you can see, this is also not feasible for us. This seems to be a feasible trade right now. As you can see how the green, which was been 26, and here we can see a dip. So we'll take an upward trade again here. As you can see how the green and the red and the blue has been intersecting it, and how the RSI has been above 50 and has been crossed about 70 also. So this is the indicators which was suiting us for us, and it was been feasible for us, and that's why the reason I took an upward trade again. So you need to match both of the indicators step by step, and as I'm showing you right now how, why and did I took this upward trade also. So this is the thing, and here that is the reason I took an upward trade. 384, guys, again we are in a profit. So this is the small strategy that I wanted to let you know also. This is the thing. So let's do it one more. Let's make it one more. By the way, guys, all the links down have been given down to my channel below for my VIP channels, telegrams and everything, and YouTube links all have been given down below. And I'm also providing AI bot signals also, especially on the VIP channels. And again, and so all you need to do is click down to the link below, go down, subscribe me, learn the techniques, learn the strategies, how you can feasible it is, and let me know also. So one more trade will take it, one more trade will take it. So I'll let you show that how this is feasible into a way. So let's go step and step by step, we'll check it. So the reason I took this here for trade also, here right now, as you can see, RSI was been crossing 50 and it's been stable. And here how the indicators have been taken a dip and were been showing for the upward trend. So this is the reason I took here also an upward trade right now. So as you can see why and how this kind of strategies has been working it. So as you can see how the spike had been going on. So you 384 guys. So that is what the thing, $384 we are plus and everything. So this how I wanted to let you know from $500 how we can grow in 3 trades, basically step by step, more and more. So all you need to do is join to my link down below. The links have been given down to my channel and everything. So soon I'll be passing you more of the strategies with more of the indicators and everything. So let you know. Thank you so much. Keep in touch.